Hi, I'm Varnaz and welcome to Low Carb Keto Recipes and Having Fun. So today I have yet another exciting recipe for you. So we're standing in my kitchen. Let's waste no more time and let's get cooking. So let's begin. We begin with half a cup of almond flour. Put that into a mixing bowl. 2 tablespoons of whey protein isolate, and it's necessary to this recipe. 1/4 of a cup of powdered sweetener. 2 tablespoons of unsweetened cocoa powder. Put that all into the bowl. Half a teaspoon of xanthan gum and half a teaspoon of baking powder. Give that all a good mix in your mixing bowl. They're little pieces because of my sweetener clumping up. Now I'm putting in 2 tablespoons of heavy cream. Just put that in, and I'm going to add 3 to 4 tablespoons of water. I've added 3 tablespoons. In case you need 4, it's okay. Now I'm mixing it again and bringing it into this cookie dough kind of a thick batter. Can you see? It's really thick. It's almost creating a ball. So that's done. And now my piping skills are not so good, so I've put it into a Ziploc bag. And what we're going to do is I've put a silicone mat, and I'm going to take a scissors, cut a little snip off, and we are going to chop and make little rounds. I found this to be the quickest way. If you have any other better way, please do type it in the comments. Now you're going to get loads of Cocoa Pops with this. So it's going to fill the entire silicone mat. So which is, once you make this, I know it's a little tedious to do this part, but you're going to have cereal for quite a long time, quite a few portions out of this batter. So now that it's done, I'm going to put it onto a tray, and I'm going to bake this at 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 180 degrees centigrade for 15 minutes. Just 15 minutes is all you need. Now when it comes out of the oven, it's not going to be crisp. It's going to be still something like hard but not crispy. I'm going to put it all into a plate and leave them on my countertop overnight. The longer you leave them, the more crisp it becomes. Don't just forget about them till they crisp up. Now hear the sound. I've kept the volume on in this. Yeah, there you go. Crunchy, crispy. You're ready with your Cocoa Pops, and have it with your favorite substitute milk. Thanks for watching. Bye.